Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add a marquee effect or scrolling text effect on your Shopify store. It's super easy to do and I'll walk you through step by step, so just follow along. First, open up your Shopify store and from the left hand side menu, scroll all the way down until you see the three dots at the bottom. Click on those three dots and from the menu that appears, select Edit Code. Once you're inside the code editor, what you want to do is look for the Sections folder on the left. Click on that, then click Add a New Section. It'll ask you to name the new section. Go ahead and name it Marquee in lowercase, and leave the type set to liquid. Then click on Done. Now it's going to create a new blank section for you, and inside that, you'll see some default code. Just go ahead and delete everything in there. Highlight all the text and press backspace to clear it out completely. Now you'll need to paste in the code for the marquee effect. I'll leave the full code in a pinned comment or in the description so you can easily copy it. So just grab that code from the pinned comment, copy all of it from start to finish, then come back into the Shopify code editor, right click and paste it into the blank section. Once everything is in place, click on Save to save the section. Now that we've created the section, the next step is to connect it to your theme layout. So on the left-hand side again, go to the Layout folder and click on theme.liquid. Once you're in that file, click anywhere inside and then press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open the search function. In the search bar, type body. We're looking for the line of code where the body tag starts. Once you find it, go to the end of that line, click right after it, then press Enter to create a new line. Now go back to the code you copied earlier. There will be a second piece of code that's meant to be inserted into the theme liquid file. Again, copy that, right click, then come back to your Shopify editor, right click and paste it into the line you just created after the body tag. Once that's done, click Save again. Now if you go back and preview your store, you should see the marquee text effect added at the top. It'll display default text like, "Welcome to our store," but you can fully customize that. If you click on the text section in the Shopify editor, you can change the text to whatever you like. For example, you could change it to say hi, or promote a collection link or discount offer. You can even link it to specific collections or pages on your store, depending on how you customize the code. And that's pretty much it. That's how you add a nice scrolling marquee effect to your Shopify store. I hope this helped you out. If it did, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.